finding the right influence, and that's just the beginning. You still have to build a relationship with these content creators, plan out your campaigns, and keep tabs on your brand's impact across multiple platforms. If only there was one tool that streamlined everything from finding the right face for your brand to tracking influencer campaigns. Get it done with Impulze.ai. And that's just the beginning. You still have to build a relationship with these content creators, plan out your campaigns, and keep tabs on your brand's impact across multiple platforms. If only there was one tool that streamlined everything from finding the right face for your brand to tracking influencer campaigns. Get it done with Impulze.ai. What is Impulze.ai? Impulze.ai is a platform for influencer marketing that allows you to locate influencers, manage agreements, and track campaign results. You can assess potential influencers for your marketing efforts using this tool before you start working with them, so you know you're making the proper choice. You can effortlessly search through over 250 million influencers using over 30 filters to locate the perfect face for your campaign. You can even create your own personalized database of influencer profiles, replete with contact information tailored to your campaign. Impulze.ai Lifetime Deal Features Overview. You can create an influencer list for your campaign by using a Chrome extension or a database of 250 million influencers. You can observe the impact key influencers are having across platforms by having real-time access to key influencer insights from your dashboard. Once you have your influencer's permission, you may access engagement metrics that aren't publicly available, such as article views and shares, to gain insight into their audience engagement. You can quickly share influencer data using a public-facing URL to keep team members or clients informed while working on your marketing strategy. You may also use the Chrome extension to view influencer interaction numbers across social media platforms such as TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, and Twitch. It supports full white labeling, including CNAME. You'll be able to use the tool under the domain name of your agency or business. You can also add your own logo to the platform to give it a more professional appearance and to make it feel more like an internal tool. As a result, you can brand all of the reports, influencer profiles, and public-facing URLs you give to customers and stakeholders. To analyze your ROI, access accurate engagement and viewership numbers in real time and share live reports with URLs. Access accurate engagement and audience metrics in real time to measure your ROI and share live reports with URLs. Build a list of influencers for your campaign using a Chrome extension or from a database of 250 million influencers. Impulze.ai is an influencer marketing platform that lets you find influencers, manage partnerships, and track campaign performance. With Impulze.ai, you can vet potential influencers for your marketing campaigns before you start working with them, so you know you're making the right decision. Using over 30 filters, you'll be able to easily search through over 250 million influencers to find the perfect face for your campaign. You can even build your own custom database of influencer profiles tailored to your campaign, complete with contact info. Get real-time access to key influencer insights from your dashboard, so you can see the impact they're making across platforms. Once you've got your influencer's consent, you can see engagement metrics that aren't public, like story views and shares, to get the inside scoop on their audience engagement. Plus, you can share influencer data easily with a public-facing URL to keep team members or clients in the loop while working on your marketing strategy. Best of all, Impulze.ai lets you create and manage influencer campaigns from scratch or from a list of suggested workflows. Just add relevant campaigns to track engagement on individual posts by each influencer. And thanks to the native integration with Bitly, you'll even be able to track the number of clicks on your links. This platform monitors your performance metrics and makes it easy to share live campaign reports with a single link. Using the Chrome extension, you can also check influencer engagement metrics across social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, and Twitch. And since Impulze.ai supports full white labeling including CNAME, you'll be able to use the tool under your agency or business's domain name. You can also upload your own logo to the platform to give it a more professional look and make it feel like an in-house tool. That way, you can apply your branding to all the reports, influencer profiles, and public-facing URLs you send to clients and stakeholders. Contrary to popular opinion, you don't have to kiss a lot of frogs to find the perfect influencer to spotlight your brand. That's why Impulze.ai makes it easy to build, launch, and track successful influencer marketing campaigns at scale, all from one white-labeled platform. Turn creators into revenue. Why are you late? Get lifetime access to Impulze.ai today. One-time purchase of $39 only.